Hi everyone, here in this video we are going to talk about how to create the application on Shopify Dev Dashboard and get the credentials which are necessary for creating the connection between Shopify and Odoo. After creating cell integration, we are clicking on Start Authentication and going to our Shopify store. So we're going to Settings, Applications, Develop Apps, and clicking on Build Application in Dev Dashboard. So it will redirect us to the Dev Dashboard. We're clicking on Create Application. First of all, we need to set up the application name. We can use the value from our wizard application name, simply copy it. If it's necessary, you can use your own. Click on Create. After that, we need to set up scopes and redirect URLs. Also, all this information we can find in our wizard, access scopes. Simply copy and paste, and redirect URL. Copy and paste. Clicking on Release, we need to set up the version name. I can set up 1.0, it's up to you. Click on Release. And after that, we are going to the home. We need to install our application. So distribution, clicking on distribution. Here we need to choose custom distribution. So this option allows us create application which will be used and have access only for one single store, for one account. So choosing custom distribution, clicking on select custom distribution. On this step, we need to set up store domain. So I can go to my settings of my store, copy the value, back to the page, paste, auto allow multi-storage, click on generate link and generate. After that link will be generated, I can copy it, I can paste in the same tab and open it. On this step, we need to choose to what shops we are providing the access for our application. So Odoo connector. Additionally, on this step, we need to carefully review for what access and scopes, for what permissions we are providing for our application, and clicking on Install. And after installing, we can see that our application will be installed. It will be visible on our store. After that, we are going back to our Dev Dashboard or the Settings tab, and we need to choose to use the values. So first of all, we need to set up store URL. Also, we can take it from our settings of our shop. Store URL. Then on the Dev Dashboard and settings, we're taking client ID and secret key. Also copying and paste. And clicking on Connect to Shopify. As you can see on this step, our connector will create a separate tab and redirect us. This step is necessary in case if you set up some values wrong, so you can go back to the previous tab, fix them, and click on Connect to Shopify again. But in my case, if everything is okay, we can see that the API access was granted. I'm going to check access permissions. Here we can see the list of all our permissions. If everything is green, that means that we have all the necessary permissions, and we can continue to configuration, which will redirect us to the quick configuration wizard, and we can continue configuring our cell integration. Thank you.